Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to play with kinetic sands. I have several items on the table here, and we're going to make them using these kinetic sands. We have red kinetic sand, blue, yellow, and white. First, we're going to build the palaces, and we're going to use red, blue, and yellow to build it. Here's our first palace. So cool, right? Next, I'm going to use the blue kinetic sand to make the second palace. Here's the second palace, guys. Cool. Right. Now I'm gonna use the third, this yellow kinetic sand. Yay! Now we have all three palaces. Now let's build the airplane. Here's the airplane, guys. And I'm going to use the red sand for the airplane. Ready to see this, guys? Wow, so cool, right? Okay. Next, I'm going to use this shape to build a car. And I'm going to use the white kinetic sand. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my
stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
Let's see what we have. Wow, look at that. That is a white car. Next, here's our lion shape. And I'm going to use the blue sand to make the lion.
Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady.
Let's see what we have, guys. Wow.
Falling down,
Here's a lion and he's blue. Okay, going to put him right over here. Go. And lastly, I'm going to use the snake shape. And I'm going to use the yellow sands.
itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Here's a snake shape, guys. So cool, right? I'm going to put him right over here. Great.
Itsy bitsy spider.
Okay, guys, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Out came
Bye bye.